Hi guys, in today's video, I will be showing you 5 of these incredible future tech gadgets. You might need one of these for yourself or as a gift to someone special to you. 1. Insta360 Link. The Insta360 Link is a new webcam that promises similar AI-based pan and zoom abilities that are integrated into the webcam of Apple's latest MacBooks, iPads, and Studio Display, only it's able to deliver them in true 4K resolution. It's able to achieve this by placing a fancy webcam on top of a gimbal, which can rotate, tilt and track your movement to keep you in focus and in the frame. Price, $300. 2. Steam Deck. The Steam Deck is a handheld gaming computer developed by Valve. Released on February 25, 2022, the Steam Deck can be played as a handheld or connected to a monitor in the same manner as the Nintendo Switch. Price, $399. 3. Plugable USBC Vammeter 3. The Vammeter 3 is a neat little gadget. It's a power meter that acts as the liaison between a device that takes a USB-C charge, like a laptop or smartphone, and a USB-C charging cable. 4. JLab Open Sport. The JLab Open Sport is wireless earbuds with a unique modular design. One is a pair of ear hooks that allows you to wear the Open Sport as workout-focused earbuds that wrap around your ear. The second is a pair of clips that can be attached to a pair of glasses, or sunglasses, which might be a more comfortable way to wear them for you. Price, $80. 5. Hyperdrive Thunderbolt 4 Power Hub. Hyper's newest power hub is unique because it's the first to have an integrated gallium nitride (GaN) charger. This allows one of its 4 Thunderbolt 4 ports to provide up to 96 watts of power to your laptop, which is more than it probably can take. Additionally, it's a very small power hub, again, thanks to the GaN technology, that's also designed to space the gray finish of your MacBook. Price, $179, Kickstarter.